In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect your PS4 controller with Bluetooth on your PS5. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this because you can use your PS4 controller on your PS5, but sometimes whenever you're using it with a wide connection, sometimes it bugs out and it just doesn't work properly. So there's an easier way to do it. What you want to do is go over to your settings like so. You're going to see a lot of different things, but just go over to accessories, which is right under screen and video. Once you're on that, you're going to see general. So you just go to Bluetooth accessories and then just go ahead and click on Bluetooth accessories. As you can see, I have two wireless controllers connected, and on your PS4 controller, all you want to do is go ahead and just hold down your share button and your PlayStation button together. Just keep them held down. Once you hold them down for long enough, just like the PS5, because the PS5 controller and the PS4 controller both have the same methods of pairing them. So what you want to do is once you hold down your share button and you hold down your PlayStation button, your like LED on the touchscreen area, that's going to go ahead and start flashing. So then once that starts flashing, that's when you know it's in pairing mode. And then what you're going to do is you're going to see it in accessories found. Just go ahead and click on it then with your PS5 controller, and then your PS4 controller is going to be connected. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.